What's up guys, so Samsung has finally started to show off what could possibly be the future of the Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera. We also got the confirmed, and I mean the confirmed specs of Samsung's most expensive device of the year, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, with a surprising new design change. Plus, Samsung has taken a crazy decision that they have never done before. Let's begin with the camera upgrade. After 4 generations of 108 megapixel sensors, Samsung's vision is set to 200 megapixel. And while most people are a bit skeptical about it, Samsung finally shows the potential that this number brings to a smartphone camera in its first official trailer. In this trailer, Samsung shows off that this sensor is capable of processing a detailed image that can actually be printed on a billboard. Yes, the 200 megapixel processing does indeed bring a lot of detail. Keep in mind that this is just the beginning, as they will be using an entirely brand new 200 megapixel sensor on the S23 Ultra, but the basic selling narrative will be the same, which is more megapixels equals more detail. This new trailer seems to solidify the 200 megapixel future of the Galaxy S23 Ultra even more. Now, before the S23 Ultra, we have the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and well, the final specs are now 100% confirmed. According to Universe, this is what we're gonna see on the Z Fold 4, and it's looking pretty good. We have the brand new Qualcomm 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, high quality 120Hz displays, One UI 4.1.1 will also come out with the Z Fold 4. All is looking pretty good. Even the camera setup is not bad, as Samsung is reportedly implementing a brand new telephoto lens, but I really wish they had the main sensor similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Universe also confirms that the Z Fold 4 is using the latest generation of under-panel camera from Samsung, which actually has a lot more pixels than the Z Fold 3's front camera, but you'll still be able to see the particle pattern. Again, it's only going to be visible if you're really looking for it, so for the most part, it's going to look pretty limitless. Also, Universe shows off what could possibly be the accurate outer screen design of the Fold 4, and well, not only the display is wider, but the outer hinge is also slimmer. With this, you can see that we are indeed getting a noticeably wider outer screen, still not as wide as a proper smartphone display, but it's definitely an improvement. Let me know what you think about the Z Fold 4 and its leaked specs in the comment section below. Now, last but not the least, Samsung has taken a pretty big decision that's gonna have a pretty big impact to the future of Galaxy smartphones. The struggle is real. Samsung has decided to cut down on its smartphone shipment due to the current landscape of the world and of course the component shortage. According to South Korean media, Samsung will produce 30 million fewer smartphones in 2022. This will set to affect budget and even flagship devices. Samsung's initial plan was to produce 310 million smartphones for 2022. The way they were going, it felt like it's gonna be achievable, but now they're dialing it back to 280 million. Let's hope for the things to get better in the future so that they don't have to cut down on their goals moving forward. So that's all the latest news. Let me know what you think about Samsung's big decision on going for more megapixels, and the way it's looking, according to Samsung, it could actually bring some meaningful upgrade from the 108 megapixel sensor that we have on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But let me know what you think in the comments below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.